Go drinking.
Morgan.
And Maggie.
I have to stand this far back to the perfect view.
Yeah, burn yourself, Morgan.
And Maggie. So pretty. Smile. You're cute too. You're cute too. Say you are. Same with Maggie. She's all fat and chubby
Okay?
and looking like. Where are you going?
It's okay to go down another server.
That's so hard to hold this with one hand. I guess I'm gonna put 2 videos on the internet now. There goes Maggie. But first, let me make a selfie. Bring.
Yeah, keep doing it. Keep doing that. I want to get you perfect. Whoa.
P.S. These are not my cats.
Look how close I am to Maggie.
Maggie.
Look
at me. Look at me, Morgan. I mean, Maggie. Woo!
Woohoo! You get down here.
No.
Oh, you just got texted.
Yeah, you like the light.
Oh, go back in there. Go over there and see how you fall. She looks like a bunny rabbit.
It's a new gaming style. Sounds like it.
It's the new kitty cat.
If you listen to music,
Oh no, you're gonna get burned.
you gotta burn you gotta burn yourself.
You're gonna burn yourself. Better.
People on YouTube gonna think I'm crazy. Like, it's a new gaming style. Like, what?
Oh, you're using the kitty dog. Mario.
I'm Happy Cloud. Any people on internet knows what it is.
Fuck you going.
Buckle going, go. No!
Mom, she almost tipped it.
She jumped off.
Oh, thank God.